Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.